Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a black screen in Instagram on Bluestacks 5. Let's fix it guys. If you are coming across a black screen while switching from post to reels in Instagram on Bluestacks 5, then you just need to change the pixel density to 320 dpi and your problem should be fixed guys. To do this, open up a BlueStacks, select the settings icon over here and select display. Under pixel density you just need to select 320 dpi high and then select save changes option and select restart now. Now you can easily switch between post and reels without coming across any black screen in Instagram on BlueStacks 5. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.